Hello guys, hello everyone. Day 59 of 21 day challenge of spoken English. I am still stuck uh, on my faith, on my belief and on my decision that I will start making videos in the morning in Brahmurta or in early morning or before sunrise, that I am waking up at this time every day. And this will be a new series as I have already announced, and I will definitely do it right. And one thing that I learned today is having faith with focus. We have faith is the right thing. We all must have faith in ourselves. If we don't have faith to achieve our goals, so it is very hard. It is about to impossible that we are going to achieve our goals that we have decided. But if we have faith with focus, right, focus is the most important thing. Even I have heard a story about Swami Vivekanand, which is a maxim about focus. I know only very few personalities which are the examples of focus, and that are Swami Vivekanand, Elon Musk, and other names I am not getting now in my mind. So the one anecdote I heard about Swami Vivekananda, that is, once he was he was traveling in a sea, and there were some shooters shooting a target in the sea, in the ocean, right? And there were some things who were staggering in the ocean water, and they were and the shooters were targeting that things, and their targets were missing every time. Then Swami Vivekananda saw them that their targets are missing continuously. Even single person of them is not able to hit the target at the right place, right? So then Swami Vivekananda went to them and asked the gun from them, and he shooted the targets, and he shooted continuously 12 times the targets, and his 12 out of 12 targets were were hit the target, right? So this was the focus. And then the shooters asked Swami Vivekananda, how many years you have took to learn the shooting, from how many since how many years you are learning shooting. So then Swami Vivekananda said, I have never even caught the gun. I am first time I am first time having this gun in my hand. I am first time taking this gun by my hand. So then all the shooters were shocked, and they asked how it happened. How did it happen? And then he said, only this is the power of focus. If we have focus, if we have complete focus to our targets, to our goals, then we can do anything. Everything is very easy to achieve. And what the happens, and what the means of complete focus is, a human brain attracts more than 60,000 thoughts a day, and they all are mostly the different, right? So most of them are different, right? It means we are having more than 60,000 type of thoughts in a day. And what will happen if we have only one thought a day, and that is 60,000 times? Getting the point what I'm saying? A human brain attracts more than 60,000 types of thoughts 60,000 times a day. And it is about normal human brain. But if a human brain starts attracting only a single thought, and that is more than 60,000 times, that is called the focus. And if we if we are able to, and if we are able to do this thing, to attract this thing, to implement this thing in our life, it means it will become very easy to achieve any goal, to reach our targets. And this is called actually the focus. And you know why the you may have seen the rich people and successful people play golf? What is the reason behind it? The reason is not about the that rich people play golf. No, rich rich people play golf because golf is the game in which we need focus very much, in which we have a clear target, a clear crystal goal, right? That is the reason the most successful people and rich people like to play golf. I heard about it just today. And if we want to improve our focus, and if we have the availability of golf playground, if we can play golf, then it is a good way to improve our focus, because it is very necessary and we all must improve our focus, right? So yeah, that's all for today. And improve your focus, guys. More than 99% have lack of focus, and that's why they are not successful. Or maybe this is the reason that more than 99% people are successful. What they think that I will get 25% increment this year, and they will become success in getting that very achievable, very easily achievable goal, right? So don't make very short, very small goals. Make impossible or very hard goals, and try to make them possible, guys. This is the excitement, this is the amazing thing, right? So go, make your goals, think about your goals, and then, and when you go to sleep, think about your goals only, right? Best of luck, guys.